Hi viewers, I'm Barbara, your favorite COVID patient and your favorite Esperanto speaker. Welcome to the kitchen in the little studio apartment where I've been self-isolating for the past week. I'm going to take this opportunity to teach you a few Esperanto words. For instance, a kitchen is a kuirejo. It's an eo, a place, por kuiri, to cook in. And here on the stove, I have a pot and a pan. What's the difference between a pot and pan? That's a difficult question for many English speakers to answer. And I'm gonna answer that for you right now. In this instance, both the pot and the pan have a long handle here, but there is indeed a difference. This pan, a pato, is a more flat cooking tool. This surface is suitable for sauteing or making scrambled eggs or a grilled cheese sandwich or anything else that's flat. There's not much depth though. You wouldn't really want to cook soup in there. For that, a better tool is this poto, the pot. This does indeed have a liquid dish, but this is not supo, this is buljono. It's a broth. In this instance, I made the broth using chicken bones and some vegetable scraps. If you're a vegetarian, you can only use vegetable scraps or vegetables. And if you like chicken or fish or whatever, you can put the bones or any other, or skin or other entrails in there, so that you can make yourself a nice, delicious buljono. A buljono is not exactly a soup. A soup or a supo is a liquid-esque meal that you would use making buljono and meat and vegetables and spices, whatever ingredients. This buljono is an ingredient. The supo is the whole meal. Now I'm going to drink some of this buljono. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.